Good morning. I believe it's July 27th. I just couldn't wait until the first. Things are popping, guys. So, as usual, lettuce, it needs to be snipped off for a salad. It's really growing. This guy was like, I don't know, like down here. And I don't even use the grow lights anymore. They're down here. And he's up here now. I don't know what's up with that. And that's very cool. So then my actual tomato bin, we've got, let me see. Yeah, we got babies. Then peppers. Oh my God. It is a job every day to keep up with these flowers. Look how many flowers. Right there, there's 3. Just that one couple of inches. And, you know, it's indoors, so I got to pollinate. And, God, it's like a job trying to keep up. There's my original guy. He's getting bigger. And these are mini peppers, by the way, not full-size peppers. And then I got a couple of more there, a couple of more over here. So that's exciting. Let's see. I was just looking to see if there's any new pepper flowers that weren't there yesterday. Oh my God, my little baby pepper plant. He's only this tall. He's got a flower on him today. And then, oh my gosh, several new flowers over here. And then my original baby tomatoes. And some more flowers up top. He's a tall one. I have a couple of baby tomato. I had 3 baby tomato plants. Let's see, this guy is one of them. And at first I was a little disappointed that they were staying small. But now I'm thinking, well, after these are done producing, I can still have tomatoes. This is my other small guy, and he's grown too. But this one just freaks me out. Like, he was easily as little as this guy, and he's now like twice the size without the grow light. So that's pretty crazy. Oh, I got more little baby flowers coming up. I don't know if you can see them because of the tomato cake. And then, of course, we got, what happened? Oh, I must have touched the screen. Then we got our Mizuna back here. It's not looking so healthy because I got lazy and I was going to take some over to my friends and I just used the scissors. And I know you're supposed to snip it with your thumb, and that's what I do with my lettuce, but I was in a rush and I cut it with the scissors, and now it's not doing very well. There's a couple leaves, but that's about it. It was very full before. Okay, so, oh my gosh, is that 3? No, it's just 2. I thought there's 2 flowers above it. So yeah, as of right now, my peppers are doing way better than my tomatoes, but that's okay. Hopefully they will catch up. And like I said, I have 3 smaller tomato plants that haven't even flowered yet. So hopefully that will get me some more tomatoes too. So there's the garden. And my geranium bloomed in unity with the garden, so that was cute. Right about the time I was getting tomatoes. There it is. She's booming. Look how tall. I have to keep raising the blinds because that tallest tomato plant, that used to be the tallest tomato plant. Now this one is like, now I gotta raise the blinds again. And this is with no grow lights. So that's pretty cool since I don't get hardly any direct sunlight, just early in the morning. All right. Have a great month. See you in August.